Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect Ford Figo Aspire Bluetooth, only ways. Start with the car parked, engine on, and phone Bluetooth turned on and discoverable. Use the car's sync or Bluetooth menu, choose Add Device, and wait for the vehicle name to appear on your phone. Confirm the numeric code shown on both devices, accept contacts and call permissions, and complete pairing to test audio and calls. Begin by opening the car's settings and selecting Bluetooth or phone pairing, then choose Add Device. On your phone, scan for Bluetooth devices and tap the Ford Figo Aspire entry when it appears. A numeric code will display on both screens. Verify they match and accept on each device. Grant permission to sync contacts and messages so calls and caller ID work. Finally, test by making a call or playing audio from your. If pairing fails, restart both your phone and the car's infotainment system, then retry the pairing steps. Remove any old or duplicate Bluetooth entries from both devices to prevent conflicts and ensure only the intended phone is discoverable. If the code does not appear, toggle Bluetooth off and on, or try connecting with a different phone to isolate the issue. Keep the car in park with engine on for stable pairing and repeat until successful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.